Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix Astro A50 base station light flashing. If your Astro A50 base station light are flashing, it typically indicate a connection or charging issue. Here are some steps that you can follow to fix the issue. First of all, you have to ensure all the cable are securely connected. This indicates the USB cable to your PC or console and the power cable to the base station. After that, you have to reset the base station. For that, you have to unplug the base station from the power source, and after that, you have to wait for about 10 seconds. Then you have to plug it back in, and after that your base station will be resetted. Then you have to make sure the headset is properly seated on the base station. Sometime adjusting the position of the headset on the base station can resolve the issue. After that, you can try to update the firmware. For that, you have to connect the base station to your PC using the USB cable, and then you have to use the Astro Command Center software to check for any update available for the firmware. After that, you can try to update the firmware. For that, you have to connect the base station to your PC using the USB cable, and then use the Astro Command Center software to check and install any available firmware update for both the base station and the headset. Hopefully this video help you to fix the Astro A50 base station light flashing. Thanks for watching.